Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about the key elements of organization behavior. What are the key elements of OB? The main key elements are people, structure, technology, and environment. Why people are called as a key element in the OB? Because people prefer to to the employee working in organization. They work either in a group or individual and make them a whole working structure because the people element of organization behave in a regarded as the most important factor in business. You should take a notice of why this is treated as most important. There is no other alternative in the quality of the employee. They help to achieve the organization objectives, learn to manage and treat them properly, and in return your business will be thrown away. So it's important that you pay as much as the individual is important, as well as you must. They help to achieve the organization objectives. Learn to manage and treat them properly. In return, your business will be thrived. So it's very important that you pay as much individual attention to employees as they can. So learning how each on behaves and allows them to treat them in the workplace. The next key element is nothing but structure. Structure relates to the roles and relationship of the those in the organization. It's important that employees role in the structure is clearly defined to them. It will lead to more work efficiently, and employees can avoid the confusions due to engaging the employee in the work that fits their skills. Business goals are likely to be happen. They must guess the clarity of the work what they have to do. Next, technology. With the necessary technology added to your business will take a important part in a business and production, and tasks can be performed more effectively. Without it, work would be very difficult to perform. It prevents your makes the business task easy not only for the employee but also for you. It doesn't just supply the different machines, tools, or resources, but also different methods to accomplish the work. How much the technology you require depends on how much work needed to be done. Technology provides an important role in the work quality and reduces the production cost. But be conscious of how much the technology interferes in the workplace. It can plays a very important role in your employee freedom. So it plays a very important role. Next is about the environment. So the finally there is a business environment. With it, you must keep in mind both internal and external factors. Organizations are able to thrive on their own, and they can have a environmental factors surrounding it. Could government, society, family, and even other organizations. Organization culture refers to the internal environment within your business structure. The external environment will prepare the format of the take. So structure plays a very important role. It might be a internal or a external structure. Internal structure may not be possible without the external internal structure or the external structure. Both are mutually concerned with each other. So it may be a political, social, cultural, or economic factors. Make sure to study all these factors are properly for the benefit of your business and make the necessary changes in your business activity. So these are the key elements in the organization which helps the employee as well as the employer. So the OB behavior plays a very a vital role. So these are the main key elements of the organization behavior which supports for the development of the organization and achieve towards their goal oriented. This is the basic concept of the key elements of the organization. Thank you all.